Level 3 St. Cloud. Right now, I'm speaking to the girls on stage left. Stage left means you're looking at the audience and then you put your left hand out, that's where you are. So stage left, watch the first half of this video. Stage right, you need to skip to where I'm saying, now this is stage right. So stage left is Anaya, Mercy, Sarah, Ashley, and Annie. I just want to point out that Sarah and Annie especially, you're very new to ballet, and if this part is too much, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you're in. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to wake up and see a dragon towering over you in this box, okay? So we're going to be down here. You'll be down here sleeping. You're going to go wake up like this and then point. So that's 1 and then 2. Then you're going to go like this. You're going to put your right foot behind and your left foot straight out. And you're going to lift yourself up onto the releve here. This is 3, then you go 4. Then you're going to go 5, 6. And you want to be as low as you can like this. And then you're going to scoot yourself all the way around and bring the leg down, just like the mermaids did last year in Madness. And then you'll go 8. And you'll pop way up here so you're above the people in front of you. If you stay down here, you won't be seen. So you gotta come all the way up. Ah! And you just wanna have your eyes wide and your eyebrows really high. This is for stage right. Stage right would include Elena, Amelia, Miriam, Josie, and Faith. You guys are gonna be over here. You're gonna be sleeping like this. You're gonna go wake up on 1, point on 2, put the left foot behind on releve, right leg straight out. This is 3, you lift up to here, and then you're gonna go 4 right here. Then you're gonna go 5, you can go 5 here, and then 6, and you kind of point this like at like your toe's a spear. You kind of point it at, boom, pointed at your dragon. Then you're gonna, okay, now I moved too close to the mirror. So now you're gonna go all the way over like this, and you drop it down beside you. You've done this move in classes before. This isn't our finale, right? So you're down here, and then you're gonna go, ah! And you gotta come way up high so the people in front of you don't cover you, because they're all doing their thing over there. So you come way up here. Thanks, girls.